What is the right thing to do when you're in immigration court with an I-130? I don't know your specific situation, right? So if you have an I-130 and you qualify, your spouse is willing to help you with that application, you may file for adjustment of status in immigration court, right? But if your spouse is abusive, then you may consider filing a VAWA and then an adjustment of status in court, or asking the court to terminate proceedings after your VAWA is approved, and then you can move forward there. All right? I-130s can be approved, but doesn't necessarily mean you're eligible for a green card. So remember, an I-130 is the start of usually a family-based sponsorship. So let's say that it's marriage. All you're doing in an I-130, so if I'm sponsoring someone with an I-130 petition, all I'm doing is showing that I'm a U.S. citizen and that mine and my husband's relationship is real, we're married, and it's not just for immigration. That's the only thing they're looking at with an I-130. So when they approve that, all they're saying is, yes, this person that's sponsoring is a U.S. citizen, and yes, this is a real marriage. That's it. That's all they're doing, right? It doesn't give anybody else status. It's the first step to getting status, but it doesn't give you status to be in the U.S. What you need to do is adjustment of status if you're in the U.S., right? You need that I-130 to be able to do adjustment of status in a marriage-based petition when you guys are filing together jointly. So you cannot file for adjustment of status without the I-130, but the I-130 can be approved and you might not even be eligible for adjustment of status. That's something you got to look at. It does cost over $1,000 to do adjustment of status. This is the government filing fee. So you don't want to file it and waste your money if you're not eligible, okay? There are many different eligibility factors, so you don't want to adjust your status if you're not eligible. So if you want to figure out if you're eligible, call us or call an immigration lawyer, schedule a consultation. We'll go through all of your immigration history and all of the eligibility requirements to make sure you're doing the right thing. All right? You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663.